Can a keyboard from a lesser-known name truly stand out in the crowded mechanical keyboard market? Today, we're diving into the mechanical keyboard Gaming 87 Keys, a wired USB keyboard that promises a lot for both gamers and typists. Right out of the box, its compact footprint is immediately noticeable. Measuring just 357.5 by 132.5 by 24.5 millimeters, this 87-key layout, often called tankless, is fantastic for saving desk space without sacrificing essential functionality. It's a wired USB connection, which means reliable, lag-free performance, something crucial for any serious gaming session. One of the first things that catches your eye are the two-color closed cross keycaps. They don't just look good, they feel solid under the fingers, contributing to a satisfying typing experience. And for those who love a bit of flair, the adjustable character backlight is a welcome addition, allowing you to customize your setup and set the mood, whether you're deep into a late-night gaming marathon or just working on a document. But where this keyboard truly shines, especially for gamers, is its support for NKRO or N-key rollover. This means every single key press is registered, no matter how many keys you hit simultaneously. In fast-paced games, this translates to your instructions being carried out quickly and precisely, giving you that competitive edge. The manufacturer claims a smooth, responsive gaming experience, and from what we've seen, it absolutely delivers. This responsiveness also translates beautifully into increased efficiency for everyday work, making it a versatile tool. Comfort is another big win here. The ergonomic design, with its thoughtfully shaped keycaps and keyboard shelf, aims to keep your fingers and wrists in the most comfortable state possible. This is a huge plus, because whether you're typing for hours or engaged in an intense gaming session, you want to avoid fatigue. It genuinely feels like it's designed for prolonged use, which is a pleasant surprise for a keyboard in this category. So, is this the perfect mechanical keyboard for office or home use, as it claims? It certainly makes a strong case. It's a no-frills, performance-focused device that prioritizes the core experience. For anyone seeking a compact, efficient, and comfortable mechanical keyboard that supports crucial gaming features like NKRO, this 87-key contender offers amazing value. It's a solid choice that truly delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.